Hello, class. I'd like to solve two more problems from your homework. Question number 9 says, okay, suppose the lifetimes of light bulbs are approximately normally distributed. We have a mean of 56 hours and a standard deviation of 3.2 hours. Answer some questions. So, looks like I already did the answer here, but let's go through the steps. I'm going to open up StatCrunch, and then I press Stat, Calculators, Normal Calculator, and I think the mean was 56 with a standard deviation of 3.2, right? 56 hours, let's just double check that. Yeah, right, 56 hours with a standard deviation of 3.2 hours. All right, and we want to know probability of this, I guess, light bulb staying on longer than 61 hours. I think that was what they gave us, 61 hours. So when I press compute, I get 0.590. So as a percent, this would be 5.9%, but they're asking for the decimal or the probability or proportion. So I write that in here and it looks good. So that was for more than 61 hours. If we want to say less than a number, say 53 hours or less, we can just make an adjustment. The mean and the standard deviation are the same, but now we change our inequality sign to point to the to make it less than. I press compute, and I get this 0.1742, and it looks like we're going to have to round that to 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like I have to round that 2 up to a 3. I check answer, looking good. Now I'll do one more. Probability that it will be between two values. So between 59 and 61. I'm going to StatCrunch, and now I have to click the between button, right? Normally we're on standard. I click between. My mean and standard deviation are still the same. And let's see, we want to go between 59 and 61, right? Between 59 and 61. So I enter 59 and 61. I press compute. So it looks like there's 11% chance that the light bulb lasts that long. So again, let's enter this and round if we need to, 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can round that to a 2. I check answer. We're looking great. Okay, let's take a look at problem number 10. Okay. So it looks like we're given a mean and a standard deviation, and I guess a sample size. And the first thing they do is ask us to find, it looks like the mean of X bar, right? The mean of the means. So they're actually going to be the same. Okay, so U and UX bar would be the same answer. And now my sigma, you could think of this as the standard error. We have to do a calculation, and the calculation is going to look something like this. We take our sigma and divide it by the square root of n. So I'll type this in my trusty calculator, and I get, looks like 3, right? So I'll enter 3. I press enter, and we get a well done. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.